before all those things. ODO anyị pụtakwara ụwa hụọ na nna anyị ha na-eme anyị soro ha mebe anyị maara ma ọ bụ na anyị nọrọ na ODO bụ ihe nọ kemgbe ụwa ndị a na-eku ndị ụka ga-abịa.
While royal fathers and elders pray, family members prepare a feast for breakfast. When the cooking is done, everyone eats from the same pot, literally. That's because at its heart, the ODO is a festival of unity, and the spirit of oneness begins from home.
Rainy days don't.
Once every 2 years, the 10 villages making up the ancient Enugu Kingdom in Enugu State, southeastern Nigeria, come together to celebrate the ODO Festival. Held over 2 days, the festival takes place at the end of the harvest season and honors the memory of the ancestors, heroes and heroines of the Enugu clan, as well as notable historical events that have kept the clan in peace and progress, while also cleansing it of all misfortune. That's the focus of this edition of the program. You're welcome. Preparations for the ODO Festival begin in December, but the festival's grand finale is usually held in March. It takes about half a dozen men on the average, working countless hours, off and on over a period of 3 months to get the masquerades from the different compounds ready for the festival. As dawn breaks on the first day of the festival, chief priests, title holders, and family members gather around the ODO masquerade to pray and offer sacrifices. The prayers are complemented by spirited singing and dancing, both of which reverberate around the kingdom.
Hey, if you want to get across London, you do it by tube, and they give you a tube map so you know how to navigate your way. So therefore, why do so many